Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Okay, so this one is a tips and tricks one. There are some wheels that are called directional wheels, and these wheels are different for each side of the car. If you take a look at this picture, you can see the rims of this side are mirrored from another side. I have prepared a similar wheel to study the situation here. As you probably know, this blueprint only inputs one mesh from passenger side and rotates it for the other side. I could mirror it for the other side, but I decided to rotate it so in case you have some text on the side of your tires, that wouldn't be mirrored. So if I set this wheel as my car wheels, you can see one side is correct and these blades are pointing backward. But if we take a look at the other side, we can see it's not correct. It is reversed and pointing forward. We will try to fix this by separating the tire from the rim. I have prepared these meshes here. And an important note here is that these two should share the same pivot. Now you have to set the rubber tires as wheels. This is so important to do this because the blueprint takes the diameter of this mesh into account when calculating the rotation of the wheels on the path. So make sure you always select your outer rubber part of the wheel as the main part if you have a modular wheel. After I set these as my wheels, I'll go to components section and select each wheel and attach my rim to them one by one. You can see this side is correct as expected. But this side has that problem all over again. But now I can mirror this attached rim. So I will select it and disable the uniform scale and set a -1 for the X. Now you can see the problem is gone. And I will repeat this for the other wheel. Okay, I think that's all there is to it. See you in the next one.